everyone. We hope that you are doing great in cybersecurity. Today we came with another tool which is used to collect and sniff the Wi-Fi networks. As you all know that Wi-Fi networks are increasing because high rates of demand of internet users. Everyone uses internet. So how we will collect and open Wi-Fi networks? Whenever we searches anything on the internet, you can see on the last page, on the search results on the last page, you will see your location. If you even turn off the location, it will show your network operator location. That's how Google collects your local location. So how this search engine collect your our location? There are many network devices which uses internet. Nowadays company collects the MAC addresses of routers to know the local GPS coordinates or location of any person or anyone. So why local location are collected? Mostly company collect the local location to show the local results in that particular area that you are searching for. Earlier we have shown showdown or zoom in, that how zoom and showdown collects the data by pinging on the internet on each and every IP address. Today we will show you a bigger demonstration that how this application uses collect, and you can even also sniff the local Wi-Fi networks. You can check out their local site, their official site. You can check out their official site. We'll type Wiggle Wi-Fi and then click on the first link, and you can see wiggle.net, which shows the local location, local Wi-Fi's. We scroll down here, we zoom here, we can see the local Wi-Fi. As you can see, there are many Wi-Fi networks available which are being collected by the Wiggle. We will show you a demonstration on its official Android app. Currently the developer has made the only the Android version app, so we will be showing demonstration on the Android app. So let's go with the demonstration. So we will be using Xiaomi Redmi Note Pro for testing the Wi-Fi Wiggle application. You have to open the Play Store and type Wi-Fi Wiggle. As we have already installed the application, so simply we will click on open. For security reasons, we have hide the MAC addresses. Before opening or running the application, must ensure that your GPS is enabled with high accuracy to check for the local Wi-Fi networks. As you can see that Wi-Fi Wiggle has started scanning the local Wi-Fi networks, which can be used to collect or sniff information. Sometimes it takes time to scan for any particular Wi-Fi networks depending on the area that how Wi-Fi networks are available. If you go to the settings, you can click on the map. You can see that how local networks have been found. It shows it has found around 10 plus networks showing different names. If you click on dashboard, it will show you basic stats of the application, that how application is performing. The application will work without logging in or with login in. You can choose whatever option you want. Currently we are using it without login in. You can check out some local settings of the Wiggle Wi-Fi app depending upon your usage. You don't need to use any, you don't need to mark or change any setting. The default settings are perfectly fine. The application will work perfectly. It will scan for the local Wi-Fi networks. If you click on any particular Wi-Fi, for example we are clicking on the second option, you can see that it's showing its MAC address, first seen. It also showing its first seen time. It also showing what type of encryption that the target Wi-Fi is using. It also shows that we can also connect if we know the password, or we can break the password, which will show in further analyzation that how we can break the password of any particular Wi-Fi. It also shows the signal strength of the Wi-Fi network. That's it. You can check out our some another articles on securitynewspaper.com regarding our hacking news and another security tool. You can find some more details and hacking news on the securitynewspaper.com. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you to see next time.